Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z. From A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. Z for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Z for jungle. Z for jungle. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for table. T for table. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.